In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Meta AI from WhatsApp. Guided tutorial. Let's set expectations first. At the time of recording, Meta AI is built into WhatsApp, so you can't completely remove it. What you can do, however, is silence it and keep it out of sight. I'll show you how to do that in a few quick actions. Start by opening a browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WhatsApp, then click the official WhatsApp website. If you're using WhatsApp Web, this takes you where you need to be. If you're on your phone, simply switch over to the WhatsApp app now. Once you're in WhatsApp, go to your Chats tab. Look for the conversation labeled with the Meta AI Assistant. It may appear near the top of your chat list. Open that conversation and then tap the small arrow or menu icon next to the chat name to open the chat options. Depending on your device, this may look like a small chevron or a three-dot menu, but it opens the same settings. From here, choose Mute Notifications. You'll see mute durations. You might see choices like 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Select Always so the assistant can't ping you later. Confirm by tapping Mute. Muting doesn't delete any messages. It only stops notifications. This ensures you won't get alerts from the Meta AI thread, even if it updates in the background. Next, to keep it out of your chat list, you can delete the thread. In the same Chat Options menu, select Delete Chat. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete to finish. This clears the conversation from your list so you don't see it in your everyday chats. If you'd rather keep the conversation visible but quiet, you can stop after muting. A couple of quick notes to help you avoid confusion. Deleting the chat does not disable Meta AI across WhatsApp. It simply removes that specific thread. If you interact with the assistant again or tap an AI shortcut, a new conversation can appear. To keep things quiet, avoid starting a new AI message and keep notifications for that thread set to always muted. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the chat options and unmute, and that's it. By muting notifications and deleting the AI chat, you've effectively hidden Meta AI from view and stopped any alerts, which is the closest experience to turning it off right now. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, take a moment to apply the same steps on each device where you use WhatsApp so the settings feel consistent.